Depends on what you're looking for. If you just want someone to look in the child's mouth for structures that might be getting in the way, then yes, they're going to do what we call in short an oral mech, short for mechanism, exam. That's true whether it's a speech language pathologist, an occupational therapist who specializes in oral motor skills, or even an ENT, to be honest with you. A dentist essentially does a full oral mech exam. But the difference is what our primary skill is. So when I'm looking in a child's mouth, because I'm a feeding specialist, I'm thinking about feeding. If another speech language pathologist who's specializing in speech, articulation, etc., is looking in their mouth, they're looking for how the structures may be impacting function for speech, articulation, etc. A dentist is doing an oral mech exam to look for dental health, where an ENT is doing an oral mech exam to look for whatever the issue is, like a sore throat, or perhaps the child has something like thrush, et cetera, et cetera. So depending on what your concerns are, you're going to ask that professional to do their type of oral mech exam.